So we made it all the way to Carmichael for a show. And we woke up really early and it was raining, so we were deciding whether or not we were going to come to this show because it was all the way kind of like Sacramento, which is like almost a 2-hour drive. But we made it and it's nice and sunny out here. Let's go ahead and walk around.
Sing one more song for the memory. Life's too short to be enemies. If this ends tonight, you can save your tears from the
because I had 10 screws missing. Some of the on the back of the doghouse, there's like an airflow that comes out. There's no rubber on it. So they said, "What tell them when you get it like a
take it out for June, but I want to put bridges on the wall. So we put it out in toward the doors. Okay, you can take it out and bring it back. Okay. That's cool. You think that's a Photoshop?
I think they. I was reading that, especially machine guns. Yeah, they're dynamite. It's ready to go.
All this stuff was super.
Yeah, but yeah, and then we've been doing warnings and all this. Luckily,
got it though. You know what I mean? Say no more, you know what I mean? Ooh, it'll be the drill.
Oh, you lean under it, you're like, wow, there's like fence posts welded to it and shit, dude. You know how dogs get lead? Yeah. And this guy, he was so squirrely. The dog was goes a hat.
I can't feel anything, which means it hasn't kicked in. Go. I need more.
I wasn't going to come. I was crying. I was on the ground. I wasn't going to come. And then I called Robert, sent him pictures, and he goes, "Get to the show. I want to see it. It's going to be fixed. Don't worry about it."
Robert
Skinner.
Oh, okay.
He saw it.
Did he do this bus?
No, but he could fix it. I bought it from somebody who did a long time ago. It's private.
Did you bend the latch too?
I did.
Yeah.
But I didn't. No, I did not bend that.
Okay.
That's fine. But I banged it. I thought you said bang.
Sorry.
Well, I'm glad you're here.
Yeah, I'm glad you.
Yeah, hope you had a good time. The boo-boo.
I didn't quite take it that way. No, I was like, it was monumental. It was like.
On the road again. How long was it in the field? How to go?
fire engine.
You won't be the one that gets in trouble. He'll get in trouble. It'll be fine. You're good.
Come on, Cody, go. Go on, Cody. Come on.
Going around picking up kids right now.
Come on, babe.
And then now.
Come on, Cody.
Now.
Go sit by Alex. There you go.
I don't feel bad because I'm not a kid.
If there's no more room, we'll get off.
Hey, but everybody, it's like you're in a parade.
I didn't realize how many people.
Huh?
I didn't realize how many people.
Big old thing. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much, and you guys have a good rest of the day.